In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share documents in HubSpot. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing important files, knowing how to upload and manage documents in HubSpot can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot platform. You'll need your login info ready to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Trial Guide link. Click on that to navigate into the guide area that will serve as your starting point for document management within HubSpot. Moving forward, locate and click on the Documents section. This will bring up an interface dedicated to handling all your document-related tasks. It's a go-to hub for uploading new files and managing existing ones. Taking a moment here, you might notice there's an array of options and settings available, each tailoring to different document management needs, but don't worry, today we are keeping things straightforward and focusing on uploading and sharing. Now, with the Documents page in front of you, zero in on a button that says Upload Document. It's typically prominently placed, designed to catch your eye right away, aiming to make the document upload process as intuitive as possible. Give it a click, and it will open a File Explorer window on your device. Here, all you need to do is search through your directories and select the file you intend to upload. Once you've selected your document, just hit Open or Upload depending on your system. HubSpot will begin the upload process. Be patient, as the time it takes can vary depending on the size of the document and your internet connectivity. Once your document has been uploaded, you'll have options to manage it further or share it directly. This is one of HubSpot's strengths. It makes sharing documents with team members or external partners incredibly easy. Within the Documents options, you should see a sharing feature. Clicking on it will present you with various sharing settings. These might allow you to send the document as a link, email it directly, or integrate it with other HubSpot tools for even broader accessibility. Remember, properly managing and sharing documents isn't just a technical task. It's about ensuring the right information is accessible to the right people at the right time. This capability not only supports your day-to-day efficiency, but also enhances overall communication and collaboration within your organization. And there you have it. Uploading and sharing documents in HubSpot can be seamless and straightforward with these easy steps. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to explore other features in HubSpot and embrace the robust document management tools it has to offer. Feel free to like this video and subscribe for more helpful how-tos and tips. Have a great day and happy uploading. Great day and